close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me that I call my own.
Oke guys, balik lagi di konten saya. Sekarang lagi ngevlog nih ke alun-alun Bandung menuju ke Asian Afrika guys.
Feels like home. They can say,
on, guys. See you.
it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world of every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head, a million dreams that keep me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see, a million dreams is all it's gonna take.
Di mana ya guys?
Halo guys. Kayaknya kelelahan guys nih.
There's a house we can build.
Gedung Merdekanya di situ guys.
Things from far away. Special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy.
Bandung tuh guys.
They can say we've lost our minds.
Ngomong beli.
I don't care if they call us crazy.